So, Namaskar all of you. This is a batch notification for prelims and mains test series for Odisha Judicial Service 2020-21. So, this PDF you can find in the description section of this video. These are our results both of our classroom students, of our interview students and also of the test series students. So, there are 3 modules in the test series. The first batch or the first module, that is for the prelims. So, it consists of 50 full syllabus tests, okay, just like in the pattern in which your exam is there, okay, 10 questions from each of your 10 modules. Okay. So, the prerequisite for this is you should have completed the preparation, okay, because all these tests are full syllabus tests, okay, exam pattern tests. So, those who want to give it in the classroom at Cuttack or Bhubaneswar, you will get the hard copy of the question, okay, and the course fee for that, for the 50 tests, it is 5,000 rupees. And those who cannot come to Cuttack or Bhubaneswar, they can give it online. So, for that the course fee is 4,000 rupees online. Second batch, that is the mains test series. You have 25 full syllabus tests, okay, that means 5 for each paper, okay. You have 5 papers, so 5 tests in each paper, okay, and all these tests will be full syllabus tests. So, the course fee there is rupees 5,000. Here also, if you want, you can come and give it in the classroom at Cuttack or Bhubaneswar, or you can give it online also, okay. So, it will be 5,000 rupees. And those who want to give both, that is the prelims and mains test series. So, the course fee, that is module 3 or batch 3, the course fee is 9,000 rupees, and classroom and online both modes you can give. That means, for prelims, that is batch 1, 50 tests will be there, and for mains there will be 25 tests. Okay. Now, coming to the schedule. So, the schedule is flexible. Once you have completed a paper, you can come and give the exam. So, this is not only for 2020 exam, which is due now, even those who are preparing for 21-22, they can also join. Okay. So, the test series for 2020, those who are giving in 2000 for OJS 2020 edition. So, it starts from April 12, 2021 and it will continue till the main exam. Okay. So, you can give all the tests and all within that period. If you are not preparing for OJS 2020, you are preparing for OJS 2021 or beyond, then this timeline does not apply to you. You can give the tests according to the chapters or the papers that you have completed. So, it is quite flexible depending on what you have studied. Those who have already completed the course, directly you can give the test series. Now, if you have any doubts or any queries, you can WhatsApp me at 9437002210, or if you want to contact the office directly, then 76840-54656, that is for Bhubaneswar, and for Cuttack it is 732-590-4599, that is for Cuttack. So, I wish you all the best, those who are preparing for Odisha Judicial Service. Thank you.